everybody, Zachman18AC here, and welcome back. It's been a long time. Well, not really. It's been almost a week. Yeah, Animal Crossing for the GameCube. I am not really as much concerned with that series because I haven't played it in a full 2 weeks. That's right. Gracie's still not here. Yeah, I haven't had Gracie visit in the last whole week last week. Kind of annoying, but see what we got in the bulletin here. Bug off this Saturday for anybody who wants to know. Obviously, I already have 2 golden bug trophies, in which I should really have only 1. But yeah, I did a golden furniture. I found 3 golds. I got a gem rock yesterday, and I got 3 golds out of it. So I brought it to retail, and let's see what my next piece of golden furniture it is. I want to see it. 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 Oh, it's a golden man. Nice. I'll take it. But yeah, guys, once again, these are going to be short episodes. I'm not sure when I'm going to get back to Animal Crossing GameCube, because I am doing a lot of stuff for my regular channel now. I'm already behind on stuff for my regular channel, and this is kind of my lower priority channel when I'm not doing anything. And I haven't been doing anything too interesting. I mean, I'm still loving the game. I'm still having fun with it, but I've almost kind of pretty much done everything I possibly could in this game, likewise of the season. So, but once more of these special occasions start coming around, then we'll have more fun with that. Do I already have KK Lullaby? I might. I feel like I could remake that couch. That'd be cool. Sorry guys, I'll be messaging people on Facebook here. Don't mind me. Yes, I already own KK Lullaby. All right. Oh my god. Oh, my friends are funny. So I haven't really paying attention to the weeds. But... Okay, so there's still some weeds out there. So let's see if we can try to find some of them. What do I have in my pocket here? I have a fossil we can go donate. My pockets, I don't even know anymore. They're just like so disorganized. It's not even funny. Wake up! God.
I would like to assert a fossil for you. Let's see what I have here. I have a fossil right here I can give to you right now. Okay, let's see what you think of this fossil right here. Let's see oh, I already have that in my museum, so I think I'll just take it back and make about 4,000 or 3,500 bells for it.
Oh my god. Well, well, well. Bum 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 bum. I've been doing more work on bamboo. I've been still digging up some. Yesterday I found a rare mushroom and it got me 16,000 bells. I wish I would have recorded it, but I didn't. So I have a gem from yesterday too. Well, I kind of did film yesterday, and then YouTube was being really stupid, as always. Oh, come on! Out of all the ones it could be, it had to be a pitfall seed. Any of these other ones pitfall seeds from like previous days? Probably not. Yeah. Crap. What was I saying? I don't know. Did I have the ceremony yet for my fire hydrant? I believe I haven't. It's been 2 weeks, I think, since it's been up, so let's go check and make sure.
There's a bell! Yay!
Oh boy. Oh my god! Oh, the cobblestone bridge. Alright, well that's been up for about a week, I think, so... But still, it's been a while. Alright. I can do that.
Welcome!
Bangle's just kind of sitting off in the text box there. On to the next project. Bam!
Three, two, one, bam!
Yay! Alright. Oh my god, there's a lot of people here. Alright. So, first things first. Oh god. Gyroid. What? What do you mean I can't? What? What the hell do I have in my pockets? Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, so first things first, we are going to go put this song... God, I have mail too. Ugh. All my HHA stuff. I'll get to that later. I don't know how to play this game anymore. I don't know how. I do know how to play this game, but I'm not doing very good at it, though. Dun, 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 dun. Let's add a song, and that's going to be KK Metal. Yeah! That's awesome. Rock and roll, baby. Rock and roll. If anybody gets that reference, you are awesome.
Let's rock and roll!
Alright, you know what? I'm going to sell this gyroid, and I'm going to put... Oh, I'm going to place a gyroid down. And I think I'll put these nice flowers. You know what? I'm going to swap out these flowers for these. Gardening at the cafe. Alright. We have a dream town we're going to go visit today. Someone left a dream address. I need to pull up their name here in a second, but... Oh my god, that bush is coming in really nicely. Alright, so what do we got? Wait, why am I going over here to... I was thinking about the Dream Suite, and then... Alright. Let's see who it is. It's Pokey Seahorse. Awesome. Okay, Pokey Seahorse. Boom, boom. I still have that in there. Bam! Alright, let's go to the Dream Suite. Yeah! I like to change my hat every once in a while. Okay. Gardenia. Alright, let's go. Or Gardenia. Garden? Something like that. I don't know. Whoa! I like your floor, sir. Holy crap! That is so cool! Wait a second. What's going on here? Oh, it's like an actual river. Oh, is there... Oh, he's got a cool roost sign. What is this? What?
That is all for me.
I'm guessing so. Yellow ribbon. I got a megaphone. I have a oh no. Oh my god, the things I do for you guys. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. We're a girl. Pick your weeds, sir. Alright. I'm not gonna cross the... I'm gonna use the bridge. Oh, this is cool, dude. This is really cool. He's got a sound for each, or a sign for each area. I'm not sure what his town flag is, though. Dude, this is a cool town. Okay. Just gonna cut through here. Nice. Ah! That's gonna be a good picture. Alright. I'm running like a little girl now. Oh my god. I guess when you have a dress on, you run like a girl. You gotta water your flowers, bro. Who are you? Bianca? I like you. It's got a water well, that's cool. Let's go up first. Hello, it says. Welcome to... What does that say? Welcome to town? I guess so. Here's the dream address if you want to visit this awesome looking town. I'm guessing those are like Japanese characters. Oh, I guess this is his house right here. Oh, he's got 3 houses, okay. We're in for a treat today. It's got a nice interior design. Or exterior, I should say. Oh! I like this song. PK Soul? Yeah. I'm not sure if I have it yet. You're pretty weird. That's cool. I want one of those so bad. Whoever, what's his name again? Pokey Seahorse, send me one. Or Abby is a friend. I'm not sure if I'm your friend yet on 3DS because I want that so bad. Alright, let's go up. Toilets, good God. There it goes. Yeah, he's got a bathroom. Maybe I should have a bathroom for my house. I don't know. My house is already cluttered enough. Oh, what the hell? Okay, this is really freaky. I'm getting out of there. God, why do basements in Animal Crossing have to be so freaking scary? Oh my god. Getting out of here. This room is nice and comfy. wouldn't mind eating there. Alright. That basement was screwed. Oh! Here he is up here. Oh! It's actually him! That's cool! That's awesome. Katie, welcome to the restaurant. Oh. Is that a girl or a guy? Gardenia, Fantita. Okay, Katie. So Katie's the pokey seahorse. I thought it was a guy for a second. Sorry. It's kind of hard to tell. Most of my friends that I know are guys, and they play Pokemon, so... I don't play Pokemon. I never liked Pokemon in the first place, but... So there's her roost. This is a really nice town, Katie. Retail. God, she has a freaking sign for everything. I want a design from this town. Put that off my thing there. There we go. Got a nice little night lamp. God. I want to live in this town. I literally want to live in... Oh, Lover's Corner. That's amazing. And I have a microphone, or a megaphone too. Cantina. Bonjour, madame. Alright. What's this? An alpine bed. Whoa. It's trippy. Okay. She's got her tent, or her campsite, according to her awesome sign. Across the bridge to go over here. Looks like she's got a community project that she's working on. I look ridiculous in this outfit. Alright, as soon as after we get to our house, then, after we see this last... Oh, here he is anyway. I don't even need to use the microphone. Yes. Yes, I will. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna give up with the block pavement. Oh! Oh, she's got all the good signs up. Ah! I want them all. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I really want the roost one. Lover's Corner. But these are really great, Katie. I will tell you this. They are really great. I'm not even kidding. Mayor's house, I want that. Oh, I'll have to come back to this house later. Keep reminding me to come back to your town and get more of these. These are really good, Katie. I'm not even joking around. Wait, do I still have that other roost design? Yeah, I have that cafe sign. I still need to make a signboard with the Pikmin on it. Nature is everything to me. Last house. Heh. So I guess this is her house. She's got some nice flowers in here. That's awesome. It's awesome how she made those like look like exactly like their character. Alright, amazing town, Katie. One of the best Animal Crossing towns that I've ever been to in the Dream Suite. So great work, and keep it up and make it even better, and maybe I'll go back there. Maybe I'll come back here in a few weeks or so. We'll see.